Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on SLP token. SLP is very close to break another falling wedge pattern, and in today's video we will take a look at this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me just show you this daily time frame chart, and you can see that we are moving inside a very long-term down channel. We entered the channel here back in June 2021, and we have 2 touch points here and 2 touch points here in the month of November 2021, and 2 more touch points here in the month of Feb 2022. And here we had a fake out. After this rejection, we moved sideways here and we had a fake out, and finally we moved down back inside this channel. This support is very important here that we have at 1.55 cents, and you can see we tested this support here back in Feb 2022, and here for several days we have tested this support in March 2022, and right now we are moving above this support and not breaking it down. For example, if this support will be broken down, then our next support will be very down from here. That will be approximately at 1 cent that we have here. And in that situation, there is also a probability that we may also test the support of the channel. But right now, the good thing is, flashed on the hourly time frame chart, is this falling wedge pattern. And as you know, that falling wedge pattern in itself is considered as a bullish bias, and there is a high probability that the price line may break out this resistance of the channel. This is the support that we were watching here on the daily time frame, that is at 1.55 cents. And you can see even on the hourly time frame chart, it is breaking as a very nice support. And right now we are again bounced by this support, and you can see that this wedge is getting more squeezed, so at any time it can break down or break out. I'm expecting that it can break out the resistance, and the target for this wedge will be here at the top of the wedge at 1.77. However, the resistance is at 1.75 cents, so we can consider that target is here. And in that situation, if the price line goes to $1.75, 1.75 cents, then it can also make a powerful attempt to break out this resistance of the down channel. And after the breakout, there will be a very strong resistance at 2 cents. If I place this trend line here at 2 cents, then you can see that recently we were rejected by this 2 cents resistance. We had a bounce, very nice bounce by this 2 cents resistance from 25th of March to 2nd of April. It was working as support, and we had a very nice bounce, and during this bounce we broke out. This was, by the way, the fake out that we had after testing this 2 cent support, and before that it has been working as a resistance here, therefore, even after breaking out this resistance of the channel, it will be very important for a SLP token to break out this resistance of 2 cents as well. And if we take a look at the Bitcoin, right now Bitcoin is moving at the support at a very critical support of $39,500, and I'm expecting that if Bitcoin will not break down this support and move here sideways, then SLP token can break out this falling wedge pattern within next few hours, and then we can achieve this target of this falling wedge pattern. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well, and for more ideas you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.